Pumpkin, you got all your Easter eggs?
I wish I could look up for a moment.
Are you learning how to pick them all up?
Let's see if she did this one. Hey, look at me so I can take a picture. You want this one?
Amelia.
Amelia.
How many eggs did you find?
When she gets the last
11.
one there, she dumps them out.
And you got your robot bucket?
You want this one?
She's gonna take them all out now. Wait.
You want this one?
Ooh.
I'm trying to get her to look at me.
Go get it. Go get it. Oh, you got it. Yay. Yes, ma'am.
She just crawled on her knees.
There you go. Now
She
let's
wanted
take them
it.
all out. She was doing this with the hangers last night. We had a stack
I
of
saw that
hangers.
picture.
And she was just going back and forth between the two piles.
Oh.
You opened it. Nothing in there. Not this year. Happy Easter.